Congratulations, you signed up to take your real estate courses. You're going to leave your 9 to 5. You're going to kill it. You're going to make $1 million your first year. Here are 7 things I wish somebody told me I should be doing before getting my license to ensure I'm come out the gate swinging as a top producing agent. Number 1 is to document the lows. I hid the fact that I drove for Uber. I hid the fact I was waiting tables. I hid the fact I was working 3 jobs in addition to get my business off the ground running because I was insecure about what people would say. But looking back, just imagine the stories and testimonials Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg would have had if they highlighted their early days and struggles. So while you document, that is going to mean you're going to have to go ahead and set up those social media platforms. Of course, you want to be on Instagram, you want to be on YouTube and Facebook for sure. Number 2 is go to open houses and brokers caravans to introduce yourself to the agent community, pick their brains, get some ideas, some tips, places maybe you want to end up working when you do officially pass your test and become a licensed agent. Number 3 is go to real estate events. I was going to Tom Ferry events before I got my license. There's entrepreneur events, there's networking events, there's mixer events. Just go ahead and go out there and begin to position yourself as a go-getter real estate rock star. Number 4 is learn the market. You should absolutely begin to learn at least the comparables, price per square foot sold, bed bath count. If you really want to excel and get crazy obsessed, then go ahead and start learning the builders, the designs, the floor plans, the tiles, the finishes. Number 5 is pick one neighborhood to master. You want to have probably 3 areas of focus, 2 or 3, but one, know it like the back of your hand. Ideally, it's the neighborhood you live in, you want to live in, or the neighborhood that you will be focusing on the most. Number 6, this one's controversial, and that is to work for free. That's right, intern, become a sponge from a top producing agent who's got a lot of market share. Observe it and bring value to them, and I can assure you it'll come back to your benefit in one way or another. The last and most important thing you should do before getting your license as a real estate agent is to begin to self-develop, train your mind, because as Tony Robbins once famously said, business is 80% psychology and 20% mechanics. You're waking up every day unemployed. You're going to war every day. How are you going to last and keep yourself hungry and motivated and consistent through all the challenges that inevitably come up as a real estate agent? These are the 7 things I wish I would have done before getting my license. Be sure to click subscribe so that you can convert leads at a higher level and grow a personal online brand that is the recognizable go-to trusted real estate resource in the community you serve.